Okay, so I've been saying for years that foldables are for early adopters only, and they don't make sense for regular people until the only difference between a foldable and a regular phone is the fact that one of them happens to fold in half, and there's no other compromises. So when this all got started 7 years ago with the Galaxy Fold 1, it was really exciting that it folded in half, but there were obviously a ton of compromises back then to make that happen for the first time. From the huge bezels on that cover screen, to the smaller subpar cameras and battery and other specs, the extremely compromised durability, and of course, the crease. The massive crease through the middle. So every year, foldables have gotten better and better and better and better from a bunch of different companies as they've slowly tackled each one of those compromises. So foldables have gotten thinner, and they've gotten bigger batteries, and they've gotten better hinges and smaller creases. And that's all led to this, the Oppo Find N6. It does seem kind of random that this is now peak foldable, but I actually think by the end of this video you'll agree with me. So the obvious problem number one with old foldables was that they suck to use one-handed. Since they're thicker, they have worse bezels, and they're generally compromised versus a normal slab phone. But we've seen this string of thinner foldable phones, especially in the past few years, and now you look at the Oppo Find N6, from the front, you'd hardly know it's just a normal slab phone. Now you do have the telltale asymmetrical metal, so rounded corners on one side, square corners on the hinge side, that's how you'd be able to know. But other than that, it just looks like a normal 6.6-inch phone. Oppo's been absolutely cooking with the materials and the build, so when you pick it up and use it, it genuinely feels like a regular slab phone because it's the same size as one now. This phone is just under 9mm thin and weighs around 230 grams. For context, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is also just under 9mm thin and around 230